here is how to capture screenshots on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. The first method that allows you to take a screenshot is by pressing the power button and volume down button at the same time. So press both of these buttons at the same time in order to capture a screenshot. Another way to capture a screenshot is by using a gesture. In order to make this gesture, you need to swipe with your palm like this. Now let's see if it also works the other way around. And yes, it does. So as long as you swipe from one side to the other, you will capture a screenshot. And the third method is by going to the quick settings. So we can swipe from the top towards the bottom on the right side of the screen. And here we need to open the full list of shortcuts. And by default, I'm not sure, I think it's not added. I mean, the button that allows you to capture a screenshot. Therefore, we can tap on this pen in the top right corner. Then we can press edit. And here we need to find take screenshot option, and we can simply tap on it in order to add it, or we can drag and drop it anywhere. And then we can go back, press done in the top right corner, and we can press, I think I didn't add it, so let me try again. There we go, done. And now we can press this button in order to capture a screenshot as well. Now, if the gesture doesn't work for you, the palm gesture, we need to go to settings. In the settings, we need to go to advanced features. Then over here, go to motions and gestures and make sure that palm swipe to capture is enabled. Besides that, when we capture the screenshot, we can tap this icon over here in the bottom left corner in order to crop the screenshot so that we capture a partial screenshot. And we also have some tools for edit, and we can press this arrow on the right side in order to save the partial or selective screenshot. If you open an app that is scrollable, or if you have a website opened where you can scroll, and if you capture a screenshot, then in that case you will have this arrow on the left side, which allows you to keep scrolling to capture a long screenshot. As you can see, the preview of the screenshot is getting longer and longer. Once you are done, you can simply tap on the screenshot, for example, in order to immediately open it, or you can go to gallery and you will find it in gallery as well. And as you can see, the long screenshot can be captured like this. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.